It's great to see how we all pull together as a team, especially as the holidays approach. Things seem to get so stressful.
We focus on making sure our employees have the tools and training they need to be successful on the job. This year, we've had some employees that have put our training to the test.
Yeah, starting out definitely had its ups and downs, but it's been an interesting process getting used to this work environment. It's definitely a lot warmer.
Working with Edwin was a little bit difficult this year. I think it was a bit of a culture shock from where he came from.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
I'm not exactly experienced in PCB manufacturing, but that's what motivated me even more about being here, you know? There's a lot of opportunity for growth. There's so many cool machines that I'm learning to work with. The robotic dispensing systems are amazing. Back at my old job, we had to dispense all the icing by hand.
Starting out at any job can be overwhelming. The wonderful thing about Z-Axis is that we're very warm and welcoming here. That's our culture. It's like a big family.
At Z-Axis, we like to hire creative, smart people that like to come to work and have fun, and people that get along with everybody.
Edwin, you built a gingerbread house on the assembly line. You used our laser cutting machines as Christmas lights. You gift wrapped all of last week's orders. You ran cookies through the reflow oven. You put cookies in the burn-in chamber. You put cookies in Tammy's filing cabinet. And you parked in the handicapped parking spot.
When somebody's falling behind, we try to look at, is it a problem with the job we've given them, if they don't have the talent for it, and perhaps there's another job in the building that we can give them, or is it an issue that we haven't trained them well, and we could do a better job at training them in their job.
Edwin's learned a lot from us here, but more importantly, we've learned a lot from him as well.
I've come a long way with the help of management and my coworkers, and I really look forward to what's down the line with Z-Axis.